Welcome to Analytics Campus. This is Dr. Mike. Today I will be discussing and illustrating who is a data scientist. Data scientists are big data wranglers, gathering and analyzing large sets of structured and unstructured data. A data scientist's role combines computer science, statistics, and mathematics. They analyze, process, and model data, then interpret the results to create actionable plans for companies and other organizations. Data scientists are analytical experts who utilize their skills in both technology and social science to find trends and manage data. They use industry knowledge, contextual understanding, skepticism of existing assumptions to uncover solutions to business challenges. A data scientist's work typically involves making sense of messy, unstructured data from sources such as smart devices, social media feeds, and emails that don't neatly fit into a database. Technical skills are not the only thing that matters, however. Data scientists often exist in business settings and are charged with communicating complex ideas and making data-driven organizational decisions. As a result, it is highly important for them to be effective communicators, leaders, and team members, as well as high-level analytical thinkers. Experienced data scientists and data managers are tasked with developing a company's best practices, from cleaning to processing and storing data. They work cross-functionally with other teams throughout their organization, such as marketing, customer success, and operations. They are highly sought after in today's data and tech-heavy economy, and their salaries and job growth clearly reflect that. Here are 6 common steps to consider if you're interested in pursuing a career in data science. 1. Pursue an undergraduate degree in data science, computer science, statistics, mathematics, or a closely related field. You will need at least a bachelor's degree in data science or computer-related field to get your foot in the door as an entry-level data scientist, although most data science careers will require a master's degree. 2. Learn required skills to become a data scientist. These would involve programming using Python, RSS, machine learning techniques, data visualization and reporting, risk analysis, statistical analysis, and mathematics, effective communication, software engineering skills, data mining, cleaning and wrangling, research methods, big data platforms like Hadoop, cloud tools like Azure, Oz, data warehousing, and structures. 3. Consider a specialization. Data scientists may specialize in a particular industry or develop strong skills in areas such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, research, or database management. Specialization is a good way to increase your earning potential and do work that is meaningful to you. 4th, get your first entry-level data scientist job. Once you've acquired the right skills and/or specialization, you should be ready for your first data science role. It may be useful to create an online portfolio to display a few projects and showcase your accomplishments to potential employers. You also may want to consider a company where there's room for growth, since your first data science job may not have the title data scientist, but could be more of an analytical role. You'll quickly learn how to work on a team and best practices that will prepare you for more senior positions. 5th, review additional data scientist certifications in postgraduate learning. Here are a few certifications that focus on useful skills. A. Certified Analytics Professional. CAP was created by the Institute for Operations Research and the Management Sciences. Bachelor of Science in Certified Predictive Modeler using SAS Enterprise Miner. This certification is designed for SAS Enterprise Miner users who perform predictive analytics. Others are C. IBM Data Science Professional Certificate, D. Microsoft Azure Data Scientist Associate, E. Coursera Data Science Specialization by Johns Hopkins University, F. Harvard X's Data Science Professional Certificate, G. TensorFlow Development Certificate using Python. 6. Earn a master's degree in data science, statistics, or business analytics. Academic qualifications may be more important than you imagine because of the competitive and lucrative nature of most data science jobs. Data scientists have at least a bachelor's degree and a master's degree proficiency from a data science boot camp or graduate program. Data scientist responsibilities. On any given day, a data scientist's responsibilities may include solving business problems through undirected research and framing open-ended industry questions, extract huge volumes of structured and unstructured data. They query structured data from relational databases using programming languages such as SQL. They gather unstructured data through web scraping, APIs, and surveys. Employ sophisticated analytical methods, machine learning, and statistical methods to prepare data for use in predictive and prescriptive modeling. Thoroughly clean data to discard irrelevant information and prepare the data for pre-processing and modeling. Perform exploratory data analysis to determine how to handle missing data and to look for trends and/or opportunities. Discovering new algorithms to solve problems and build programs to automate repetitive work. Communicate predictions and findings to management and its departments through effective data visualizations and reports. Recommend cost-effective changes to existing procedures and strategies. And there you have it. Data science may not be for everyone, but if you enjoy playing with numbers and calculations, can't get enough of simple to complex equations, and likes analyzing quantitative and qualitative events in order to solve problems, then data science is waiting for you. If you enjoyed my content, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with others. Thanks for watching. Check out other Analytics Campus tutorials and illustrations.